this video, we'll go over how to hook up your Encore dryer. Before you get started, please refer to the user manual. The first step is to level and adjust the legs of the machine. For more information on how to do this, refer to our video called How to Level Your Equipment. Assess whether your dryer is gas or electric, and locate the connections on the back of your equipment. Connect your gas line to the valve on the dryer. Make sure all connections and vents are not obstructed to ensure your dryer is running smoothly. If the exhaust vent is blocked, this could prevent your dryer from heating up. Plug your gas dryer into a 120-volt outlet no more than 6 feet away from the machine. For electric dryers, plug it into a 3 or 4-prong 240-volt electrical outlet no more than 6 feet away. Your dryer is all set.